What's up, guys? Welcome to a PTFS video. I'm here at Greater Rockford. We're going to be doing some plane spotting, similar to the last video or second to last video I just released where I train spotted in Stafford County Railway. This time I'm plane spotting. So let's see what we have here. We have is that F-22 flying over the airport? Wonderful. An F-15 maybe? Interesting. The Lufthansa 747 about to land? Pretty smooth. Alright, a bit late though, but nevertheless, pretty good. That was like 7 out of 10. Not necessarily butter, but you know, it was alright. So what else? Okay, we have a dogfight going on over here. Cathay Pacific here at gate 12, I believe. No, 14. Here, gate 12. Okay, where is that? There you are. Ooh, Lufthansa A330. Next to, oh no, they just got out of the cafe. What are you in? Oh, I guess I zoomed in more and I turned the lights on. Yeah, there we go. Okay, we got Lufthansa. Yeah, A330 pushing back. Wonderful. And an F-22 flying above this city at high speeds. Ooh, that was close. Oh, we have an air traffic controller online. Wonderful. Lufthansa has backtracked, and I believe they're going to be taking off. Yep. Ooh, that's a cool sunrise. And rotate. Ooh, wonderful liftoff there by Lufthansa. 747 gears up. Flaps still extended a little bit. Wonderful. Wonderful takeoff, Lufthansa. And I have an F-22, I think. About to escort. No, he just jumped out, so not about to escort this Airbus A330. Oh, nope, I'm wrong. Alright. Oh, you have a Korean Air 747 that just spawned in here on the ramp. Yoshi flying. Oh, not a great pushback maneuver. Slicing through there, alright. Oh, yeah. You slice through the jet bridge, and then you hit a pole, and you automatically start flying in the air. Alright, Lufthansa A330 about to be escorted by this F-22. Nope. Just a normal takeoff for this A330. Ooh, that was very good landing gear. And gear up. 3, 2, 1. Hot brakes. Not extracting the gear. There we go. You're not climbing. You're only at 300 feet. Okay, there you go. Oh, 747's back. Missed the touchdown zone. Floating, but decently smooth. Oh, nope. 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 His name is PTFS is better 9. as Nitro 250, it's taking off. And Korean Air 20, oh nope, avoiding takeoff. Oh nope, not avoiding takeoff. Trying to, whoop, like that's an interesting way to get into the ATC tower. He changed his mind. Decided he didn't like the career of being a fighter pilot, so he just switched to air traffic control. Alright, Korean Air at 2300. You gonna take off? If you don't take off in the next 10 seconds, I'm switching to like Perth or something to plane spot. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At least you're taking off. Okay, well, I'll watch you take off and I'll move it to Perth because you technically did lose the race. Not race, timer. Oh, and you're on your nose gear. And you're pulling up, I mean. Alright. It's alright. Are you gonna track landing gear? Ever? Again, some really hot brakes, I'm guessing. Must have braked really hard on your last stop. Okay, what is it? You have an Emirates 777 and a Qantas A380 spawned in here. Let's check the map, see what's happening. Well, I guess all the action's here. Oh, there's someone that has more flight minutes than me? Oh, 400 more. Can go check out. See how Orange's doing. Tokyo. Alright, here at Tokyo. See what we got. We have an A330 MRTT, I believe it's called. That's it. Back to Rockford. Because they just had those two cool planes spawn in, so cool. See what happens with them. Alright, we have an Emirates A380 and an Emirates 777. A Boeing FA-18 flying over the airport. An Air Canada Express CRJ 700, I believe. We got the huge A380. Tiny CRJ. Wonderful. Got an Air Canada A380 here spawning at the gate, but no one in there, so it's just respect to Orange for making these great models, because the model before for the A320 was questionable. See if ATC is chatting. Yep. 9813 taxi runway 25 left, 7350 go ahead. Blah blah blah. Alright, so we got a decent air traffic controller. I'd say pretty good. Alright, let's watch Emirates 90813. Oh, just move forward a little bit to get to be past the Alpha 3 holding point, I guess. Runway 25 left. You guys, if you didn't know, I'm actually kind of I do aviation, but this is my first actual aviation related video. They do have 3,600 flight minutes and PTFS, and have over 90 hours in Microsoft Flight Simulator. So if you want to see another one of like Microsoft Flight Simulator video, maybe ATC 24, I could try. I don't know if it would work though, but I can try. Alright, got the Emirates 777 here taking off. Let's get a better angle. Wonderful. Wonderful takeoff, Emirates. That was nice. Let's see, we have a Qantas A380 still. Oh, nope. Behind the Emirates A380. Pretty cool shot. Yeah, I just screenshotted it. And wait, what's this? Air New Zealand Boeing 787 Dreamliner. KO. Got the F-18s back. Alright. Geez, Air Canada hasn't done anything. I am though. Hey. Air Canada A320, what are you saying? Requesting Air Canada boarding gate 12 at CR. Wonderful. Probably should say your flight number, 9540. And 1183, pushing back. I love the Air New Zealand 787 livery, especially in the cockpit in PTFS, because it's like all black, which looks really good. Ooh, Singapore. A330, butter. Pretty butter. That was alright. Alrighty. I'd say the Emirates should line up and wait here. Alright, once I see a plane just crash or something, I'll just end the video. But I got a few crashes. I had Delta and nope, it's still there again. I thought I saw Delta logo for a sec. I mean, real life, Delta's getting back on their feet and their operations because of the outage thingamabob. I don't really know what happened, but it's technical malfunction and lots of stuff are messed up. That's all I know. Singapore A330, wonderful taxiing. Oh my god. Alright. New Zealand 1183. Outfit picker, I believe they do have on. Hopefully. Oh, let's hope they do. Oh, we haven't. Is that the same one from earlier, or is it? I lost sight of it. Alright. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's not ended. Oh, are you coming to land? You need a full brakes, full speed brakes, spoilers, flaps, reverse thrust, aerodynamic braking. Oh, no, you slow down. You don't have flaps deployed though. It's gonna be a rough landing. What runway are you landing on? 07 center? Okay, you're just staying here. A bit of a low approach. Oh, you're going 200 knots. Striking the ILS lights. It was decently smooth. Oh, no, the right landing gear is still up. Not smooth. Nope. Well, that's actually a really cool shot. Screenshot that. If that was Ryanair, I'd let it slide, but it's Emirates and known for doing smooth landings, and that was not smooth in the slightest. So I guess I'll end off my video there. Just gonna close that run. Yeah, thanks. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys again. Probably soon, hopefully. And yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and hope. And if you want me to do more aviation related content, just let me know. And I'll see you guys again. Bye.